This video we are going to show you how to remove the radio, CD player and monitor from Ford F250 2016, which is similar to the other years. The tools that you need is the socket, 7mm socket, and this yellow dashboard removal tool. And the first, we already made everything loose, by the way. This is just for the demo only. The first step, you just pop up this top cover on top of the dashboard, and then you will be able to see two mounting screws for the front panel. It's a size 7mm. Once you get these two bolts out, and then you can remove the complete front panel with the AC control as one piece. And it has two connectors. Once you get those connectors out, then you can put it on the side. And now all the mounting is screws for the monitor and the displays are exposed. There are 4 of them for each one, and then the 4 for the radio CD player. Once you get all these screws out, and all of them, by the way, they are size 7mm. Once you get all of them out, you can just remove the monitor, just unclip it, and you do the same thing for the radio. And these are the connectors for the back of the radio and the CD player. So this, and if you need any repair for the radio CD player, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.